Hey guys, didn't really film a vlog this week. I normally do the vlogs on the weekends, and I don't think I did anything super interesting this weekend. But yesterday, which was Monday for this, I went to a Coheed and Cambria concert, and today something important came in the mail. And that important thing would happen to be not that amplifier, but what I'm going to use to fix that speaker is another speaker, and it's in this box right here. And I guess we're going to put it together in this video, or at least try, because that's it's a 50 watt speaker and like a 30 watt. Okay, we're putting it in there. I can't talk. Bye. Here we go. Looks like I'm gonna have to charge my my drill while I do the rest of this. It's always good to have an X-Acto knife laying around, right? We're going to be replacing this busted orange amp speaker with a Jenson MOD. It's a 4-ohm 10-inch speaker. Yeah. It's pretty cool. What have I hit? I hit some sort of issue here. It's where I actually... Oh! Uh-oh. Or not uh-oh. Success? Maybe? Some sort of suction, I guess. Just keeping it in there. Ah, why? Here lies my old 35 watt orange speaker. May it rest in peace. We'll get this guy all wired up and ready to go. I wanted everything to look super cool and like have it facing properly on the inside, but the cables actually won't reach the bottom where I actually have to put the positive and negative cable, so I'm going to have to turn it sideways this way. No big deal. Nobody's going to be looking back there anyway. Except for I'll know that it's not right. I think the black one is negative. There is a way I can figure this out. Black, I guess, is universally, negative. Cool. Okay, so before I completely put this last back plate on here, I'm going to hook it up and we're going to see exactly what it sounds like. And we're just going to set all these to like 12, except for my volume and gain, which will be set to what, like 9 o'clock. Tiniest bit of reverb. We'll just, we'll just go with however it sounds. And what I got here is a Joyo AC tone. It basically is like a Vox simulator. It's like an overdrive pedal, whatever. Nobody cares. Let's see if this if I completely messed up my thing or not. And let's just see if it turns on. First amplifier modification, so you know. Okay, we're on. We got volume. Okay, so we got that. We get a little bit of distortion here. It might get a little bit loud. Sounds really good. The issues I was having with my other speaker, which is laying right here, you can obviously hear me talking about it, was that whenever I would get into like my high range or anything very gainy, it would put out this frequency that would just not go away whenever I play power chords, like, which it's like melting my heart right now, and I know you can only see the bottom of my face. I don't want to hang out down here, but it's melting my heart right now that I don't have that anymore, and it's kind of like, it's money well spent for sure. I will definitely, I'll use this in recordings, and maybe come back to it, and after a few weeks of breaking it in and stuff, we'll talk about it. Thanks for watching, guys.